The legendary Reebok Shaqnosis is officially back, this time returning in a sleek low-top version inspired by Shaquille O'Neal's dominant 1990s era. This release continues Reebok's mission to revive its most iconic basketball silhouettes, giving fans a fresh way to experience a true classic. Rather than focusing on modern performance upgrades, the Shaqnosis Low stays true to its roots, delivering bold style, unmistakable energy, and pure nostalgia. The hypnotic design that made the original famous remains intact, making it perfect for collectors, longtime fans, and a new generation discovering Shaq's signature legacy. This drop also follows recent momentum from the Shaq Brand, adding even more excitement around retro basketball footwear. Detailed looks highlight the unique patterns and heritage-inspired construction that defined the original model. The Reebok Shaqnosis Low is scheduled to release on Reebok.com on Thursday, January 22, with a retail price of $130.